I read it for you. You want to look at it?
Mm-hmm.
Who's that?
Oh.
Look who's 3.
Mommy.
Yeah.
How much the car?
Okay.
That's cute.
You open it.
There's no doors.
It's
No doors.
There's 2. Open it.
Ooh, Mama has money.
My money.
Okay. You want me to read the words?
Trusty, I can.
No.
Good job.
I read the words to
I
you.
have one.
Wait, Tyler. No. Come here.
Can I?
Let's read the
I'll
words.
back up. I don't think I could, but let me check.
Okay? It says, I'll read them to you. Okay? The books by Dr. Seuss are ones that Papa read, and Aunt Gina, Uncle Paul, and Uncle Michael. They really like these stories. We think you will like them too. Love and happy birthday, Grandma and Grandpa.
Nice.
We love you. Have a good day. Now you will be 3 years old. What a big boy. You want to keep that in your room?
No.
No? You
Oh.
done?
I have some mouse
What else you have?
and the glass.
There's nothing else.